Hey man, you know the thing, man. Don't know, brilliant finishes checking in. You see me on RASHKAMAR. You see me.
Yeah, man.
Entertainment, RASHKAMAR promotion. Yo, people, big man thing. Follow the king on the YouTube channel start. You see me, I say, support the thing. Keep it in your community and in your country. You see me, I say, each one teach one, each one help one. You don't know. Bro.
Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
Yeah, well, go on is the next one, this, you know. Man, a big man, dog. Man, a big man. Big man, I cookie. Just I come from. Where you come from? Hi, doctor. Yeah.
My hair looks crazy. Cause I just messed it up because I'm brushing it out.
Yeah. I got the barber, you know. Man, the big man, you know, go groom up, right, daddy? Oh, you mean? You ready for Monday?
No.
You not ready? You know I got school?
No.
Come on, bro. You not like school?
It depends.
You know, depends on it because you're up on the break so long. Summer break.
No.
What?
It depends.
But you're good at school, you know what I mean? You get your grades them up and really and you're the best in your and them something and them something there. You feel like that, brother. You see me? Yeah. So you don't know the thing setting up. I mean the Jenna. A party night there, you know. Show no what go on with me and him, you know. I got my barber, I'm late still, but what to do, I call the barber and I keep him already. About 20 minutes late. Yeah. Yo, General! Then I building I know. Look at this. We're gonna cut it down.
No, we're not.
Yeah?
No.
Now we have to cut it down. You not take your ear, you cut it down. We not take off enough, but you have to take it down because you not take it right. Yeah. You want ear, but you not take care and look how you look. You get me I say? You have to take care. I tell you all the while, wash the thing, clean oil it and use a sponge. But you not do that. Yo! Use a ring, you know? Ringy. You mad because I say you have to cut off?
Yes.
Yeah, but you not take care. You take care of your ear? You take care of your ear? Nope.
I'm washing it.
But you not oil it and you not sponge it, brother. You get me I say? Yeah. Bad barber boy, you know. What do them? Oh my heart I love, you know?
What's wrong with you? Stop playing. This ain't no game, nigga.
I'm going young for him.
Ain't no game. Once you see RASHKAMAR, it's okay.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? It's been years. Years. Yeah, what's up? Back to school? Speak.
Yeah.
Alright.
Nah, but that man, come to cut it.
Yo, you mad right now? Well, we gonna chop some off, man. It's all
Yeah,
over,
man, you have to take off some, man. Him not take care of your ear, brother.
We gonna chop some off.
I mean, teach him how to deal with that. Him not do it. Yeah, that's how things happen, you know?
Take care of your stuff, bro.
Take a,
Mask off,
hold on there. Yeah.
Take your mask off. Like your chain, though. I'll definitely rock that. I could borrow it. You let me hold it? Yeah.
So here, they don't want to come off.
No.
So you take care of your ear.
Yes.
Where you gonna do it?
Wash it and oil it and sponge it.
You gonna do that now?
Yes.
Sure?
You sure?
Yes.
Alright then.
Positive.
Because I tell you all the while, you know, do it in the virgin.
Yo, we gonna hold you get to your words,
So
man.
that mean me I go say alright, leave it now, but you see next time if you not do that, me I go just take off your ear, sir. Hear that?
You got a deal or what?
Alright then.
Got a deal?
Alright then.
So last time we gonna have this barbershop confession, yeah?
Yeah, for real.
Alright.
Boy, if you take care of your ear now, cause my one not going now. Yeah.
You don't wanna keep it?
Your line get mashed up.
You should keep it here, man. Your father won't help us, you know.
Yeah man, I can't do nothing again.
Yo.
You only can wash, because you can comb again. Yeah, man. Nice, you're fresh now, daddy. Yeah. Daddy, man, you must have cut off it. You know, cut off that.
I just need to talk, daddy. Everything, Which you do? You brush off the mirror for me.
You brush off your beard. And your mustache.
You get it all chill. Nah, man, I pray, don't.
I mean, sonny, looking at the mirror, you're done. Don't know. I regularly come a barber and vex and then go in and look on himself and then start laughing.
Yeah. Oh, they set me up.
Yeah, man.
My uncle set me up nice. Right? That's what you want to say, my uncle set me up nice.
So you know my time, I know in that chair, I know. Yeah. Rough, no rash. Sponge out the thing, daddy.
Yes, daddy.
Huh? Not right now, boy. If anything, I'll call, alright? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man, so you don't know the thing setting up.
Yeah, man, you know the thing, man. Don't know brilliant finishes checking in. You see me on RASHKAMAR. You see me.
Yeah, man.
Entertainment, RASHKAMAR promotion. Yo, people, big man thing. Follow the king on the YouTube channel start. You see me, I say, support the thing. Keep it in your community and in your country. You see me, I say, each one teach one, each one help one. You don't know. Bro.
I think near RASHKAMAR Entertainment, you get all the dancehall video them. And the next one in RASHKAMAR Entertainment vlog, where you get the before and after party.
See it?
Yeah, man. Check them in, man. Yeah, I mean, tune in.
Yo, do the right thing, man. Go check it out, man, and think.
Like, share, and subscribe. You see me?
No disappointment. Yeah.
Jaja. Wetland grand boy. Nice, I know.
No, to the...
Yo, what you do?
Really? Up on the live?
Yeah, man, I know.
Up on the live, yeah, go on some of you.
I know alcohol, brother. I know alcohol, man.
Yeah, man, up on the live, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
bro. Now say I would, man. We catch up.
Go on.
Not even a touch up. Stop it, man. Go far. I just root. Yeah, man.
This better than the last time.
By far.
I say have you started with we can't
By
buy this
far.
brother. Yeah, man. A Etlin grand boy this, you know. Nice, I know. Go in the sun, make them see me, no? Yeah, man.
Bro, to be a Jamaican.
Yeah, in a real life. Barber for life, see him,
Yeah,
no?
bro,
I
bro.
cut right now, you know.
You know the thing, see that?
Alright
Fully.
then,
See it?
fully.
Carry everything.
Everything.
Ah.
Yeah, I know. My son are going, and my son mad with me because like a barber cut off a little bit. Cause I don't want to take care of it. Well on, daddy, go and do your thing, daddy. Hot enough, daddy, don't? Yeah, man, so the thing set now, going on now. We'll go and wash off this area and clean up and all these things and yeah. Yeah, so don't know the things that you know. Reach, me gonna know. You hear that? Alright. Look on it. General jump off. Come in, daddy, we reach. Daddy, come in, man.
Wow, RASHKAMAR looking fresh.
Yeah. Remember your phone.
My boy Yuri.
Take up your comb. Yorel, take up the comb. Tired in there sleep.
RASHKAMAR.
How this? How that? Come down, you know. You take off them clothes because them have ear. And you go bathe and wash your ear and go sleep. I remember by the time you go bathe still, you don't want to sleep again. Yeah. Barber run me and my son, you know. Well, man, tired daddy can get up from early and go to the doctor, you know. Time. My son have to go to Barber. And you don't know I go to school Monday. So yeah. I go vlog on him first day back to school. You know, understand me I say? So you don't know if anything, you know. You know say another one.